Hello guys! Let me introduce myself. My name is Hellend Nadia Putri. I'm from class 12 Science 2. Okay, in this video we will make bead bracelets. Whenever we need, firstly you will need some string. This one is 0.5 millimeters. I will need the string kit. Actually, you can use all other string threads. Secondly, we need beads assorted. Recommend white color, pink color, and flower beads. Third, we need a scissor. Cut the string. Okay, making the bracelet. Let's get started. First, of all you need the string. Always take more string than you think you need. So need to measure your width with the string and then add a little extra to tie the bracelet and the end main about 15 centimeters. Secondly, attach the beads and arrange them as beautiful as possible. So I'm going to take some pink beads and I'll start attaching them. Wait, uh-huh, more and more. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I really like the look of the pink beads in between the flower beads. Ta-da! Here, you have to think about how it will join together. Also try it on and see if you accidentally make it too big or small. It has so to fit. Alright, I finished it. And you want to make a simple knot. Repeat for about 2 more knots. One more. Fold the opposite side, rub underneath and tie another knot to get a second layer of rub. This is just in case that string comes undone. It just makes it stronger and less likely to fall out. I also like it because it's straighter and it's on your right. Okay, now to finish it off, cut the string. Ta-da! Yay! Finally! Ta-da! And it fits into something that fits your wrist perfectly. Down